Using social media platforms to promote your YouTube channel is one of the most effective ways to grow your audience and get more views. You want to create a brand authority and increase your audience online. I have over than 150,000 fans and followers on my Facebook fan pages, no steroids. In this video, I will tell you 6 tips on how to grow your YouTube channel with Facebook. If this is your first time here and you want to build a successful video marketing strategy and grow your business YouTube channel, start now by subscribing and clicking on the bell icon so you don't miss anything. 1. Create a professional Facebook fan page. You should have a logo and a banner for your YouTube channel. Use the same branding across your social media platforms. Don't forget to add your relevant keywords and all social media links on your Facebook page. 2. Share your YouTube videos for more views. If you are going to create a post and share your video on Facebook, it's not going to work. Facebook is having a video platform called Facebook Watch, which is considered YouTube's competitor. So whenever they find a YouTube link in the post, they will kill the reach and few people will see your post. So what is the best way to share your videos on Facebook? You can use your video thumbnail or create another one and upload that image in the post. Share your video in the first comment, then tell your followers to watch the video. Facebook loves native videos. So create a small snippet of your video like a teaser. It can be around 1 minute long and this will help to drive traffic to your YouTube channel. 3. Create a Facebook group for your YouTube channel. In the group, you can have more discussions with your audience. You can post tips and tricks and answer their questions to build a growing community around your brand. Give helpful advice, provide value, and always be friendly. You can build trust easily, but you need to be consistent. 4. Use Facebook Live marketing. Engagements are the key to building a successful online presence. Facebook Live videos get a lot more comments than regular videos. You will attract a lot of audiences using this approach, as people enjoy having a connection with video creators. You can have a Q&A session. Just ask questions and tell your viewers to participate. You can get their feedback about the videos they want to watch on your channel or share exclusive content or announcements. You can also create some curiosity around your upcoming video. Using Facebook Live videos can help to promote your content and drive more engagements, which will increase your audience and keep users coming back to your page. The best part is you don't have to worry about editing and uploading, but of course you need to prepare the topics that you're going to talk about and have an outline for the video. 5. Facebook algorithm and fan page engagements. Both YouTube and Facebook prioritize and promote content with more engagements. So when people share, like, and comment on your posts, this will trigger Facebook algorithm to boost your content to more audience and help bring in more traffic. Be sure to respond to each of your followers' comments and/or like their contributions. Creating good content will help your fans to get involved and you will get more likes and comments. 6. Create engaging Facebook posts. There are a lot of good content to share with your audience to grab their attention and provoke their interest. Make sure you post relevant content to your YouTube channel and stay consistent. You can post teasers for your upcoming YouTube videos and behind-the-scenes videos. You can post a real-life example of how do you produce a video, or how do you write the script, or how do you shoot your videos. You can present people who are helping you create your video content. You can share anything that people can relate and engage with your content. If you need to be successful on YouTube, you need to use all the marketing resources you have to build a good following. I hope you find the steps mentioned on how to promote your YouTube videos with Facebook are useful. Thanks for watching. Hit the thumbs up if you enjoyed today's video and let's know what you think in the comments below. I'll see you guys on the next one.